I'm sure you'd agree it's not always easy to wire up a lamp holder that you've never used before. I promise you that once you've watched through this video, you will know everything you need to know to use this lamp holder straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and today I want to demonstrate this plated metal ES lamp holder. In this video, I will tell you what to expect when your lamp holder arrives, how to unassemble it, wire it up and reassemble it. Let's get started. So this is how the lamp holder arrives. We have the 10mm entry for mounting onto a thread on the base of the lamp. Now to unwind it, just before, this is loose already, so that's okay, but if it isn't, we look through the center of the lamp holder and we see the locking piece there, and we just, with a screwdriver, gently prise it away from the edge and you should be able to undo the skirt. Next, we pull out the insert. So we start off by unwinding the terminal screws. Now I've prepared the cable earlier. So first of all, we need to thread this up through the lamp holder base. Now we haven't got a thread here to demonstrate, but if you were screwing it onto the thread on your lamp, you'd screw that down, and there's a locking screw to lock it onto the thread, and that must be tightened down. Then that holds it firm on the thread. Then I always start with the live wire, and the live wire we wire to the center pin and we tighten that down. Next we'll feed the earth wire into the terminal, and that's the terminal on the edge. And finally the neutral wire, tighten that down. Next we slide the base or the insert down and we notch it with the indentations shown on the side to marry up with those indentations there. Now that's held firmly, we finally screw on the skirt and then prepare to tighten down, and it should go easy, and you can hear the ratchet noise of the locking mechanism holding it tight. And there you have your lamp holder ready to go. So the plated smooth skirt lamp holder comes available in 3 finishes. So the antique brass one, which we demonstrated, the brass plated finish, and then the nickel chrome plated one. If you've decided this fitting is for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.